So the reigning world champion in the men's long jump, the Greek, Miltiadis Tentaglu, has come out swinging at the World Athletics for the proposed changes to the long jump event. Man saying we'll switch from the long jump to the triple jump if the changes are implemented. He posited that measuring the jumps from a wider takeoff zone instead of the specific board effectively removes the technical difficulty from the event, in that the preciseness of execution from the board would be basically watering down the long jump event. So the man said him not the foolishness with them, him gone run a triple jump. And you know me agree with him though. This proposed change to the long jump event too drastically changes the event. This is like removing the hurdles from the hurdles. Or like removing the pole from the pole vault. Or like removing the triple from the triple jump. You get it? Or like removing the Mav from the Maverick.